This is the elevator at the brand new Beauty Shoppe Arsenal Motors in Lawrenceville, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a brand new Schindler 3300. Up to the roof. And here we go up. Ground and one are not too far apart. Someone may have called it. We're at the roof. It's just still under construction. Go back down to ground. Door closes and you press the button. That's nice. Radio phone. Notice the chimes are louder now when there's now 3300. It's basic black glossy cab. Wouldn't be surprised if it gets kind of dirty because it's kind of glossy. Class A loading. One visitor due to COVID. Place just opened during COVID, actually. I'm not sure why it's GR, I think it means ground, but it's the front door, so I'm not sure why they did that. One braille is different, I guess that was reading at some point.